Welcome to The Explainer. Today, we're totally demystifying the foundational logic behind computer programming. Let's go!
Okay, let's dive into this. Fixing a noisy car takes steps, right? Programming uses that exact same logical troubleshooting.
Turning human thoughts into digital action takes a strict method. Analyze, build an algorithm, code it up, and test.
But heads up, computers are just super obedient workers. Garbage input literally guarantees garbage output every single time. To avoid that, we use algorithms. It's basically your ultimate master plan, or the perfect recipe for a solution.
A killer algorithm needs specific traits. Think absolute precision and finite endings, so the computer never has to guess.
How do we translate human logic to code? We map it out using visual flowcharts or text-based pseudocode.
Now, what's really interesting about this slide is how specific shapes completely dictate actions, like diamonds forcing branching decisions.
Pseudocode, though, isn't actual code. It's just a human-readable blueprint that uses clear keywords to sketch out the logic. Let's move to and see how this builds. To nail our master plan, we must control the program's path. You see, programs aren't just basic linear sequences. They often use selection to choose entirely different branching paths. Think about your morning commute. How do you pick the best route to school? You select based on traffic. And this brilliantly illustrates how simple true or false binary conditions act as crossroads, totally dictating the final outcome. So, the crucial point is algorithms must be finite. What actually happens if your computer gets stuck literally forever?